Hey friends, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create the most viral AI hybrid animal videos. As you can see, these videos are capturing a lot of views and grabbing viewers' attention. If you take a look at his latest video, it racked up over 15 million views in just 2 days. And it's not just one video. If you check out the other videos on this account, you'll be blown away by how many views they're getting, earning thousands of dollars every month. You'll see the same results on other accounts across Instagram, YouTube, and TikTok. As you can see, these videos are performing incredibly well on YouTube. Once you create your own, you'll be able to upload them to YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, and easily start earning from these platforms. In this video, I'll walk you through a step-by-step guide on how to create unique and captivating AI hybrid animal videos, ensuring you avoid any monetization issues. So stick with me until the end. Now, the first step is to craft a powerful prompt for creating a hybrid of two animals, like a bull and a scorpion. I'll be using ChatGPT for this. After logging in, I'll paste the prompt, and within seconds, ChatGPT will generate an image prompt for us. As you can see, ChatGPT has created the prompt for us. I'll share this in the comments so you can practice. Just swap out the names of the two animals, and ChatGPT will generate prompts for different hybrid creatures. Now the next step is to copy the first image prompt and use it to generate the image. I'll be using the Leonardo AI tool for image generation because it's one of the most advanced and free tools, offering 150 daily credits to generate images, which is more than enough. After login, click on image creation. Now review all the settings. And for the image dimensions, I'll select the 4:3 aspect ratio. After that, paste the prompt and click generate. Leonardo AI will then begin generating the images. As you can see, Leonardo has generated some amazing images, which we can definitely use in our project. Now, I'll copy the bull scorpion hybrid image prompt again and paste it into Leonardo's image generation section to create the hybrid image. Click generate, and Leonardo will again take some time and use credits to create the image based on the prompt. As you can see, Leonardo has generated some amazing bull scorpion hybrid images. Now, to generate hybrid images of two other animals, I'll copy this command prompt and paste it here. After that, I'll simply change the animal names from bull and scorpion to wolf and dragon, since I want to generate a hybrid image of a wolf and dragon. As you can see, ChatGPT has generated the two prompts for the wolf and dragon. In the same way, I'll copy the first prompt and paste it into the Leonardo image generation section. Click generate, and Leonardo will once again take some time and use credits to create the image based on the prompt. As you can see, Leonardo has generated amazing images of the wolf and dragon. Now I'll copy the wolf-dragon hybrid prompt and paste it into the Leonardo image generation section. Again, click on generate. Leonardo has once again generated some amazing images. Now I'll download these amazing images. To bring them to life, I'll use the advanced image-to-video AI tool, Minimax Halo AI. This is one of the most advanced text or image-to-video AI tools available. Whether you're working on cartoon animation, filmmaking, or almost any kind of visual project, it's a powerful AI tool. New users get a 3-day free trial during which you can generate unlimited videos. Now I'll import the image into the tool and add some keywords. After that, click on the generation button. Now it will take some time to generate the video. As you can see, Minimax Hilo AI has generated an amazing video based on the prompt. After that, I'll upload the second image and add the same tags. Again, click on the generate button. As you can see, Hailuo AI has generated an amazing video based on the prompt. After that, I'll simply download the videos. The next step is to import these videos into a video editor. You can use any software, but I'll be using CapCut because it's free, easy to use, and user-friendly. I've opened CapCut, and now I'll import the images and videos we've downloaded. Now first I will add the image of the bull and scorpion, and then the video of the bull and scorpion hybrid creature. The next step is to add text to the video. I'll write something like scorpion plus bull. I'll also apply a filter to the text. After that, I will add the transition from image to video. As you can see, the video looks great, but I'll extend the duration to make it even more polished. To adjust the speed, click on the video and navigate to the speed section. I've slowed it down to 0.7 and now it looks even better. After that, I'll zoom in on the video slightly to make it fit better within the frames. Now to edit the next image and video, I'll fast forward this one and apply the same steps I use for the bull and scorpion image and video. And here's how our second video looks. To avoid monetization issues, I recommend using unique sound effects. This will be your clear ticket to monetizing your YouTube channel. I'll use Pixabay since it's free and offers great sound effects and music tracks. Now I'll search for creatures under sound effects on Pixabay. I think this sound effect is the perfect match for the bull scorpion creature. I'll download this one and continue searching for more great sound effects. I have downloaded these last two sound effects, which are a perfect match for our videos. After that, I will import these sound effects to the CapCut. Now, I'll import this sound effect to the timeline. Since it's shorter than the video's duration, I'll also add the second sound effect, and we'll adjust the position for perfect match. Now let's play the video. In the same way, I will import the dragon roar sound effect to the timeline. I've adjusted the sound effects positions. Now let's play the video. The video looks great now, but you can fine-tune it further in the adjustment section, like the saturation, contrast, and highlights, etc. Now I'll add audio for the animal names using 11 Labs. It's free to use and offers some of the most realistic, human-like AI text-to-speech voices. I've entered the animal names, and now I'll select the voiceover artist. After that, I will click on Generate Speech to generate the audio. The audio of Scorpion plus Bull has been generated. Now, I'll create the audio for Wolf plus Dragon. The audios are ready. Now I'll import them into CapCut. And then to the timeline. Now let's play the video.
Scorpion plus Bull. Wolf plus Dragon.
As you can see, we've created a unique video with sound effects. You can make similar videos to avoid any monetization issues. Now, I'll export this video to my desktop, ensuring it's in 4K resolution for the best quality. If you learned something new from this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. It means the world to us.